Money gun. Money gun. Me no want no donut. No donut. Oh shit, that's what going on.
Eh?
It's oh shit what going on. My laugh, boy. Masculine teeth. What you say? Talk up. Yeah, man, around, man. What? Me say, how are you? Ah, well.
Yeah, how are you doing?
Not too bad. Yes, me alright.
Okay,
Yes, me alright.
okay, Grandma.
Yes, Echo, you say, okay, grand. So, oh, yeah, talk up now, you know you want to talk all the way.
No, I'm kind of in a hospital. That's the reason why I'm using this.
Alright. Okay. He's a grandma.
You got your grandson too, you know?
Grandson, huh? Is my grandson here?
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah.
I see that.
And where are you from?
Son, Granny,
Yeah?
I'm from Mandy.
You from where?
Mandeville.
Mandeville.
Yeah.
That's how we
Stand for donuts.
Send for donut.
Yeah.
Me no want no donut. No donut. When we tell you say me want.
Stand serious.
What?
Stand serious. Stand very much serious.
For the rose?
Yeah.
What's up?
Rose?
Yeah.
Still, you're gonna save me? I think Granny's gonna give me some walking.
Give you some what? Granny give him some what?
Walking.
Yeah?
Some beating.
How will you say boy?
No, it's a beat. Where's the beginner?
Give me some beating.
Where's
Yeah,
it?
you're gonna beat me.
Yeah, I say you can beat him.
I want you say me can't go beat him.
Beat him.
Beat you.
Yeah.
Oh, we can't beat. You're laughing. It's sweet you.
Yeah.
You say yes. You say yes, you're laughing, it's sweet you.
I keep happy, you know. That's the best thing.
Yeah, what's our
There's some
Facebook? Big up your body, big up
Some
Christine and Cynthia, Mama Tutu.
What kind of
Big
gift
up,
now?
man.
You don't want no donut. More rose and what?
I want rose and heart,
And heart. And what?
money gun.
Money gun. Money gun. Money gun. Watch your boy, money.
What money gun?
Whoa, let me tell you some
Thank you,
more
money gun. Thank you very much.
Thank you for money gun. Thank you.
Yeah, they
Thanks.
love you. They love you.
I
Say
love
money
you.
gun. They say money gun for you.
Oh no.
Oh, wait.
Now you did it.
Yes. Thank you.
They love you, Aunty RENA.
Yes.
Love, they say money gun for you.
Yes. You say money gun to me.
Yeah.
Then tip top boss. Oh, Fergie there.
Gun to do. Get money gun.
Fergie?
Yeah.
The man attack no bother.
You know nobody with
Say
it.
I love you,
You know
granny.
nobody with it.
I was send a money gun.
And he me say money gun and he say now
Lisa
money.
Duncan.
He say now only for money. Money sick.
Lisa she named the lady was sending money gun. Lisa Duncan.
Sa humano.
Yeah.
Don't favor man.
I know the somebody where you see. And there's somebody where you see.
And
No,
it's mad when me say talk to me.
no they in the comment. They in the
Oh.
comment. Them I watch. And them I
Me
nation.
am go
Them I
say me
watch.
want money gun or rose. And me see in this. Me see
Teach
this.
her about it.
Man, talk to you.
Yeah, talk to him. Say hello, no?
Hello.
Hello.
What is your name? What is your name?
My name is Kamar.
Oh,
My.
Kemar. Okay, thank you. Thank you for me too. Thanks.
Yeah, it's nice to see you.
Yes, nice.
Why I feel that spoken to an elderly person like you.
Oh, this your elder person
It's a long
like
time I
me.
talk to an elder person like you.
Yes. Okay. Me still trying going. Still trying going.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, you can see that.
Then a big dancer too.
You see me? You see me over the show? A big dancer, you know.
Yeah.
TikTok. A big dancer.
Yeah.
We look simple, but we can't dance. Yeah, man. My look for me in the ground, so. So,
One hand at my side, one hand art. Never be on page here. I get your own page. So any money we make a fight on your page, it put towards the house where I go by rising.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. It a go take a while for you,
So the man say money gone, I say money come.
Yeah.
Money.
yeah.
That's it.
Me know what? No, you sitting there where you eat.
Kim. Kim.
Kim.
Thank you.
Saying Kim. See him there, pan.
No, the girl, somebody was saying I'm not named Kim.
Oh,
Girl.
oh,
One girl.
oh, where him there?
Shirley.
I mean, this way they hot, you know.
Yeah.
I know she do.
No, she in there, so you're not going to see her.
Oh,
Shirley.
me now,
come
so.
in
Okay. Watch out.
That's it. I know.
See the heart there? Big heart come here, so I'm gone up.
Oh, that mercy. If you tell them thanks on this big seat here,
Yes.
me tell her the name and you tell them thanks.
Thanks to you. Thanks to you.
Thanks. Thank you for the rose. I'm saying it.
I know Mishibo,
Thanks to you again.
Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the rose.
that Kim.
Kim.
again.
I name Kim.
Yes, she. Down
She.
there. Yeah.
No, you're not going to see You're not going to see them. You're not going to see
I want
both.
me now go see them.
That's it.
Yeah. But
Thank
no,
you
Rose
for
Kim.
thank you for the rose.
Yeah.
And thank you. Thank you.
She love you. Sorry, my
But
pretty
yeah,
good. Pretty
yeah.
good. Sarah's quite good, my
I
side.
will get gloves.
I will get gloves.
Oh, start more.
Lisa Duncan, pan the gloves.
Yeah.
Money gone, Lisa Duncan. Tell her thanks.
Tell her, thank you, Lisa Duncan. Thank you very much. Thanks. Thank you very much.
Mishibo with donuts. The donut too sweet for your hair, I raise up our pressure.
Hey, no one no donut.
It raise up our pressure.
No.
It's too
Too
sweet.
sweet. Me no want
I'm
donut.
serious.
Me will take the rose
Yeah.
and so me no want no donut. Me used to eat it one long year, me no want that again. No, too sweet. Whatever I say donut, me no want donut.
I'm serious. You
You
donut.
take, you have the donut. me
Love
no want
donut, Rena. Every time I got
But you take when the donut then come in, you take them here.
When they come in, you take it.
Yeah,
Me
you
no
take the
want
rose.
it.
You take the rose.
Yes.
Yeah,
Too
yeah,
sweet
woman.
for me to raise up my pressure.
Oh, yeah.
No, nothing too sweet.
I'm saying, what do I 0%?
Somebody sent me one gift.
No.
Once somebody send you one gift, yeah, they say somebody
I
send
feed people when I watch what I'm selling to.
our,
Few people are saying we give.
okay, our people are saying we gift.
Feed people, I be send him gift.
Our we
Few
send
people
him,
them are saying feed gift. Few gift.
right, you know the difference.
So yeah, I'm feeding people, but feeding side away, few people them are food side.
Yeah, I heard it. You don't know the difference.
You will understand, don't you? So, you need to learn.
Yes. You
What
must
time I
say,
know what
he
was?
must say he must say granny side and his system is strong.
That thing I know.
He say his system is strong.
Yeah, and you're happy you can dance too. Alright, so we win then. Good win.
So we win.
Yeah.
We win.
Tell him later.
Tell him later. Thank you. We win. Thank you.
Yeah, I'll be one of the artist thing on TikTok.
Eh?
Hot Granny.
Granny boy.
The youth say, see, that's me charm.
Yeah.
Oh, my love. He see how me perform.
See Tread Fire.
He see it.
Serious, something like this.
Who that?
Two lady.
Two lady.
Hello. Fine.
They're done.
Top of roses. Top of roses. Say top of roses.
Top up and rose.
Yeah.
Top up and roses.
Yeah.
Top up and rose. Top up. Top up the screen.
Top of ice cream.
Tap it up.
She the life.
Sharon Henry,
Share the
tomorrow is my birthday. Alright, now we're still be okay. We're gonna be here tomorrow to wish you birthday.
Thank you.
Just make sure you're rolling
Thank you.
remember me, yeah?
Thanks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shout out to you.
Big up the lady who call me look why we say her
Hello.
birthday. Alright,
Not
new
too
name for
bad,
Aunty
huh?
RENA. TikTok,
Not too
Hot
bad.
Granny. Alright.
Yeah,
Consideration.
yeah, man.
Oh, you know.
She say you hot boy, everybody love her say hey, 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 hey.
Alright.
She say where you from?
You're from
Yeah.
St. Thomas.
Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Oh, you're from Jamaica. I'm from Philippines.
Jamaica.
Where she from?
Jamaica me belong to. Jamaica.
She area.
You have to come to Jamaica. You have to come to you have to come to Jamaica. You.
You want I invite to Jamaica, so let's meet together.
Mhm.
It's just so cute. Oh my god.
Two donut guys. Side the donut them are come here. Me know in the kitchen and too sweet. Oh, a rose. I hear you. Rose.
No,
Yes.
Rose.
Lisa Duncan, thank you.
Rose.
One donut, guys. One donut to activate. Donut. I don't make kitchen too sweet. Mishibu, thank you.
With you. You know, I don't do no that.
You want too sweet.
No, sir. Do not too sweet for you.
Nah, sir. Double my side. Double. Back side. See, shall win over there. Me can get one of them kiss something there too. Come on my side. Give me one of them kiss something there too.
Kiss.
Oh, Philippines. She's from Philippines.
Oh.
Come on my side. One money gun pan the double. Money gun pan the double.
Money gun.
You have our gloves over there, you know.
Money gun. Stop up.
You have our gloves over there. You don't know what shot. You don't know what shot.
Money gun.
Use up the triple. Use up the triple.
Stop up. Stop up. Money gun.
Money.
Money gun.
We lose and look for them. We lose.
Lose.
We are lose, yeah.
Oh my God. We are lose.
I'm so sorry. Guys, can you follow them, guys? And if you want to send them, just you send them.
We are lose.
Yeah.
Ah, so we get gloves there. How would you get gloves? Come on, use up the gloves there, guys. Use up the one hand. Look how fake there, Aunty RENA. Look how fake there. Come on. Use up the gloves, guys. Yo, Meshebo! Lisa Duncan.
Money gun. Money
gun.
Wow. Roll up money.
Come on my side. Press
Money
gas.
gun.
Press gas.
It's so cute.
That eat for money. Not at the gun.
I don't know. Inside the donut. Then God. Backside. How what that?
I want that, man.
Push.
Jackie BB.
I just-
We're going back tonight. We are
I
leader now. We are
adopt
lead-
that?
Yes.
Look.
Jackie BB send it.
Oh, must send duck.
Yes.
Oh, I then duck down something period. Aye, he send duck.
We are going to raise it. Don't raise it.
Where is duck? He send duck.
Jackie BB, thank you.
Thank you.
Mishibu, thank you.
Michi. Thank you, Michi Boo. Thank you.
Lisa
Thanks.
Duncan, thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you very much. Thanks. Thank you. Thank you.
What money gun?
Yeah. Money gun.
Money gun.
Money gun. I'm afraid I watch money again.
Money gone again?
Yes. I left, you should have still.
I thought me just realized me shall live. Empress, so me win some.
Money gone already.
Empress, thank you.
Wow, so gone over money again.
Me not move.
2 times now.
Okay.
Money
I don't
gone.
feel
You think
this.
we are soft soap over here?
I feel
I don't feel this.
Yeah.
who not feel this.
We are not soft soap over here. We side firm. We side strong.
You like the money there.
The money gone.
You wait till they say money gone after you gone there so
Me see it, man. Me get a glimpse of it.
2 times now.
Yeah. Alright. Good win my side. Good win. Good win.
Yeah.
Good win my side. Hello.
Thank you. What's your name?
Eh? Okay, okay, alright. Alright.
Mama, run, talk to
Jackie BB, that's my
Jackie
MVP.
BB.
Guys, wanna follow her here? She always over here with the love and the support. Also, Amika.
Jackie B, that's what's your name?
Yeah, Jackie BB.
Jackie BB.
Yeah.
Oh, thank
And
you.
Mishibo. Make sure to follow Mishibo and Lisa Duncan. Alright? For me people in there. Hey, me people in there.
Not playing more much.
I could go for something. We go by big league.
Yeah, yeah. Something there. Yeah. Keep all of that Marcus pregnant.
Welcome to Black the Nation from creation.
No, that a boy.
Mm-hmm.
And this shirt, me take a no sign. The clothes.
This one going with all kind of lace in this one now. Where's the other? What's that you say, Wado?
Yeah, come off of the holy man, you see. That's how you feel, yes, your shoes.
Okay. Like the old man lacing?
A holy man, you see. This.
So I mean lace it, so?
Eh?
I mean lace it, so?
Probably come watch, man. Difference, man.
Nah.
And difference one come on, man. Me don't know this man. Man, you don't know him.
Would I play the 4-way? Would I play the 4-way?
You see the something over there, yourself?
Yeah, backside. Guys, me go close off the phone here now, yeah?
You see the something over there,
Yeah,
yourself?
man, me there 10%. You charging port at work? You charge up?
Mm-hmm.
One go correct. Alright, me I make the phone and get some charge here, guys. Alright, so no one continue watching, just run over to TikTok.